How to connect Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra to Wi-Fi? Follow these instructions. Download and open the Roborock app, then sign in or create an account with correct region settings. Tap the plus icon to add a device and allow all required permissions like location or local network access. Open the robot's top cover to find the QR code, then scan it using the Roborock app on your phone. The app will show a new QR code. Hold your phone screen in front of the robot's camera to scan it. Select your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network from the list, enter your correct password, and proceed. Wait while the robot connects to Wi-Fi. Ensure your phone stays close to the robot during setup. Once connected, the robot will appear in the app and be ready for cleaning and smart control use. Thank you for watching.